The question states 5x raised to power 5 by 6 into 6x raised to power 1 by 6. How to solve it? For this, we take the constant terms on one side and the other x terms on the other side, which means we have just rearranged the order because everything is in multiplication here. So we rearrange it into 5 into 6 into x raised to power 5 by 6 into x raised to power 1 by 6. 5 into 6 becomes 30. Now for x raised to power 5 by 6 into x raised to power 1 by 6, if we note the base here is same, which is x. So according to our law, a raised to power m into a raised to power n, when the bases are same, the powers get added. So x raised to power 5 by 6 into x raised to power 1 by 6 actually becomes x raised to power 5 by 6 plus 1 by 6. So our answer is 30 into x raised to power 5 plus 1 by 6. Because our LCM is 6, it is common. So we add the numerators and we get 30 into x raised to power 6 by 6. 6 by 6 becomes 1. So we have 30 into x raised to power 1, or we can say 30 into x. 30x is our answer. I hope this question was clear to you all. By using just one law, we can solve it correctly. Let's come to another question which states 10 divided by 8 raised to power minus 1 by 3. Please note minus 1 by 3 is in the power of 8. So how to deal with the second term, that is 8 raised to power minus 1 by 3. We know 8 is equal to 2 cube or 2 raised to power 3. So instead of 8, in the bracket we can write 2 raised to power 3. So 8 raised to power minus 1 by 3 becomes 2 raised to power 3 whole bracket minus 1 by 3. Both 3 and minus 1 by 3 are in power of 2 now. We also know the law a raised to power m whole bracket n actually becomes a raised to power mn, which means a raised to power m into n, the powers are multiplied. So 2 raised to power 3 whole minus 1 by 3 will become as 2 raised to power 3 into minus 1 by 3. Please note 3 into minus 1 by 3 is in power here. Now 3 into minus 1 by 3 becomes minus 1. Why? Because 3 and 3 get cut as they are in the division. 3 divided by 3 is 1. So we get our answer as 2 raised to power minus 1, or we can write this as 1 by 2 according to our first law, which states a raised to power minus m is equal to 1 by a raised to power m. Now our question states 10 divided by 8 raised to power minus 1 by 3, which we have converted 8 raised to power minus 1 by 3 actually comes out to be 1 by 2. So our question becomes 10 divided by 1 by 2. How to solve this? The second term is reciprocated and the division sign is converted into the multiplication simultaneously. So we get 10 into 2 by 1, which is 20 by 1 or 20, and hence our answer is 20. I hope this question was clear to you all. So if we see a question based on exponents and powers, we can solve it using the laws. So if we have a question like 1 by 27 into 3 raised to power minus 3, how to solve it? 27 can be written as 3 raised to power 3, or 1 by 27 can be written as 1 by 3 raised to power 3. Also 3 raised to power minus 3 is actually equal to 1 by 3 raised to power 3. According to this law, a raised to power minus m is equal to 1 by a raised to power m. So 1 by 27 into 3 raised to power minus 3 actually becomes 1 by 3 raised to power 3 into 1 by 3 raised to power 3. We have put the values from 1 and 2. Now how to solve this? Keeping the numerator as 1, we will perform a second law on the denominator. If we see the bases are same, that is 3, and they are in multiplication, so the powers will get added according to the law a raised to power m into a raised to power n, which is a raised to power m plus n. So 3 raised to power 3 into 3 raised to power 3 becomes 3 raised to power 3 plus 3, which gets us 3 raised to power 6. So our answer is 1 by 3 raised to power 6 or 3 raised to power minus 6. Again we can write it according to the law a raised to power minus m is equal to 1 by a raised to power m. I hope this solution was clear to you all. Now